how amazing false lashes are. They can totally change your look so quickly. You can wear them multiple times, and with several different styles, you can totally find one that works perfect for you. So what I want to do is show you how to clean your false lashes so they look brand new, and you can wear them multiple times and get several uses out of one pair. You really want to only deep clean them probably once a week or every 2 weeks. This is a super easy way to clean your lash if you don't want to do a deep clean every week, which I would advise against. What you're going to need is a bowl of water, and I added just a small amount of dish soap along with a makeup spoolie, which is just a mascara wand. So what I do is I hold the lash down and I take the spoolie and I just brush along the lash to get any extra eyeshadow or mascara off. You can see that took quite a bit of the residue and the eyeshadow off, and now I'm going to show you how to completely deep clean your lash. The products that you're going to need are a small bowl filled with water and a little bit of dish soap. You're going to need a pair of tweezers because we are going to be removing the glue on the lash band. You're also going to need a makeup spoolie. This is vital in the lash cleaning process. I'm going to throw both of my lashes into that bowl of water and kind of just let them get obviously very wet and loosen up that glue a little bit. So I'll just, stir it up, and I don't let them stay in for too long, just a few seconds. They really don't need that much time. And make sure that you have some paper towels nearby because we're going to use these with the spoolie, and we're also going to use them to dry off our lashes. So now they are out of the water, and I'm going to place them on my paper towel. What I'm going to do now is take my mascara spoolie and brush off those lashes. This will brush off any mascara, any eyeshadow, any glitter, which is pretty tricky to get out of lashes. You can already see the lash coming back to life and the shape is coming back. And a great tip to remember while you're removing the glue on your band, you want to make sure to hold the lash with your pointer finger and your thumb. The next step is one that you have to be extremely gentle with, and that is using your tweezers and tweezing off the glue that is on the lash band. So how I like to do this is I twist the lash over just like this, and then I ever so gently go along the lash line and peel off that glue with my tweezers. This is the step that will really help to keep your lashes looking brand new and will also help you get way more uses out of them. The glue is more likely to come off the band when it is a little bit more wet as opposed to it being very dry and tacky, and you might run into the chance of accidentally pulling your lash band. And the little clumps of glue that are coming off, I'm just putting right on my paper towel. I brushed this lash also and got rid of all the eyeshadow and residue, and now I'm going to flip it over just like I did with my first one, and I'm going to peel away at the glue that is on the lash band. Now my second lash is nice and clean and looks brand spanking new. I am going to put them back into their lash case. If you feel like your lashes have flattened out after you've cleaned them, that's totally okay. You can just take a lash curler and curl the lashes up again to get a nice curl going on, and then they are good to go. This is how I clean my lashes. It works for me every single time. If you have any questions about cleaning your lashes, please let me know. I really hope that this video helped you. If you want to purchase a set of these gorgeous lashes, then head over to shopbelashed.com and you can choose from dozens of styles.